Yeah, so we're on our way to the Huntington Beach wheelie competition. We got all our stuff back there. It's kind of in shambles, but we got the Ultra B ready in case there's gonna be a ride out. We got all the merch to sell. We got bins to sort it out. So other than that, I will catch you guys when we get closer to the event. Here we go. We got some riders right there. We know we're getting close now, fam. Yes, sir. Yeah, let's go in the RAV4. Let me go say what. Yes, brother. Yes. Good to see you guys. There we go. Dude, this is sick though. Like a little actual private area for it. That's freaking awesome. All right, we're selling shirts. Yo. Let me give you something for free. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yo, Dill, I got a marker right here. Good, bro. Alright, man. Jamie, send my phone! You ready? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3! Lowrider in e-bike form? That's crazy. Shoot, that's sick. Hey, whatever you need. Yo, don't let Mikey find you.
Oh, what's up, bro?
What's up, dog? Good to see you. Yeah, you be careful, Joshy. Yeah, light work. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, bro.
Yeah, stop by. I got you some more stuff, like a hell of stuff. It's cracking.
Kiss the fender.
Hey,
You are?
Kiss the ball. I ain't got no.
What bike is this now?
Ultra.
Yeah, well, whose is it?
Like this, dude, both feet on.
I thought you sold yours for the. Didn't you sell yours for the Bart?
Bikes.
Oh.
All of them. You can't line up like that.
We got Mason, 450 killer, Joshy, Papa Josh. Shout out, that's right. I got a shirt for you if you want it. I don't know, it's up to you. Just try to get up there. Oh wait, he's still watching it.
No, keep, hey, keep everything right down here. Don't let anybody take it.
The first rider out. Let's give him a round of applause. Let's go!
No pressure. Deep breath.
Mason's up first on the start board.
I'll tell you what I'm gonna hit. Alright? First, I'm gonna jump to whatever bar right there. Jump down to the peg, hop over to the other peg. All the way from right there. Where'd it go? Now I'm gonna both the reverse stop. I have to go deeper next time. I think you got this. King of all of LA. You were born for this. I'm not even lying. Yeah, he's a little busy right now. Fucking best. Let's go.
Fucking e-bikes on my bike. I have to come up.
What is this?
Yeah.
Stick that stick He's sponsored by us. He's sponsored by us.
Stop that.
Wait, let me hold something.
Not yet, not yet, not yet. I think they're waiting to give out the stuff. Do it, do it. Check one out, check one out. There's a bunch of kids
You
here.
have not been called yet, but you're a stunter. Now's your time to pull up to the strip. Do you have any more stunters?
Hey, I got a keychain. You want it? I want it.
Hey, you take that. We got one more
Check it out. Hey, I gotta wait till I get a new shirt.
Big deal strike.
Last one.
All right, let's go with Josh to go hand out some free shit. Yeah, you got his cherry right there to hand out. There you go, there you go.
Hey, who wants a free shirt? Who wants a free t-shirt? It's free! Fangmoto t-shirt! Who wants it? Calm down, calm down! Chill out, hey!
It's just a shirt! Oh shit! All right, all right.
0-0, nobody.
Fallen, Aiden. I know Simon's already.
Okay, double for you. I got you guys, bro.
Give Simon time to cool down and get ready.
We got Joshy up next, bro. Joshy.
I got this.
This is
Best
it.
E-Ride rider of all time.
This is
I
it.
got this.
This is it.
Dust in the lane. Go and do it better.
You did great. Yeah.
Fuck yeah! Good shit, bro. That phone's... What you do?
Yo, that was it. Everyone's closing up shop. Everyone's going home over there. We got everybody rolling by because of PD's coming through and shut everybody down. But it was a great event. We got Joshy over here doing some business dealings over there. Got Mason, 450 killer right there. Yeah. So that was a wheelie comp. I hope you guys liked everything you guys saw today. And if you guys want to, you guys can like and subscribe to the video. And make sure you follow Fangmoto on all our other socials on Instagram, on TikTok. And yeah.